that solid dash, man. See all the section up, get it out of the way.
Because of the cabin block. Yeah, you still.
That's shrink the cabin, you'll gain a lot.
You're right. I've been having head unit popping problems. So that's I haven't done anything here. The only piece of wood is this, and that was because of the vacuum of the AC I took out. You gained from all that, though.
Oh, yeah, almost 1 point.
Really? I was only 0.7. That was a good game for you, man.
Real good.
Nice. All right, so I'll give you the highs first. I demo's lows, too. I'll give you 17 hertz after.
Window up or down?
Window up for this part. There we go.
What's that nigga?
Nothing pleasant about that high note. God damn.
Knocking a little snot loose.
Dude, that thing will rattle your fucking teeth out of your head.
So that's 418's cone area and 7,000 watt clamp.
It looks like a lunch sandwich that's
Dude, it's knocking snot out of my nose.
Look at this thing, man.
I said now 26 hertz is with both windows down.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah. HDX4 sound cube. It's an American-based HD4. It's pretty same thing, yeah. But yeah, I went with a budget sub and just built it like.
I can't believe the numbers you're getting out of that. That's
everybody said that, yeah.
What do you think of the highs?
There's just a lot of cabin work too.
That high note sucks.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard a quarter wave?
No.
So I do a quarter wave tuning. Your loading water, your depth here, is the same as your loading water, your depth here. So you're baffled. And there's a sound wave side. So SPO people that do 170, 180s, they tune it like that. And that's what I've learned. That's another thing. It's the way sound wave works. That's the only thing I can think of that's different from some people's builds.
I don't know what else to do to gain.
Unless you do some cabin work.
I'm going to shrink my
power.
Yeah, killing it.
Having head unit problems.
I mean, I just got here, got to make more rounds.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
You too.
Yeah, man. I'm going about 90%. I don't want to blow anything, so. Alright. You want to control it? Or you want me to give it to you? So you turn it all the way up, I'll control. I don't have any control, so go ahead, go for it. Good to see you again, man. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it, man.
Well, you should have saw the look on your
You had it recording all the time, right? You paused it?
Yes, see. Yeah.
Alright, so it's 2 dB difference from there to there, too. So big difference headrest.
What, as far as like
SPL.
legitimate? Oh wow.
Yeah, SPL.
Okay.
Decibels is 2 dB difference there. Alright, here we go.
Yeah, big set.
That's
Tell me
sick
that
as fuck.
shit don't
Dude,
get you,
you
bro.
feel it like in here, and it like goes down to your tailbone
Dude,
a
I
little
got
bit.
me right
It's
here,
like,
bro.
yeah, it goes from like your throat down to your tailbone.
Really?
Choking.
You don't be sick and sitting this thing, man.
Yeah. Right here. My door, I'm telling you, my vehicle is ugly. It's not. It ain't pretty, man.
As long as it sounds good, and I love your videos.
Oh, you
That's
do?
all
You
that
watch a lot?
matters. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. We'll do it. So I'll give you high notes first and then lows. Ready, Joe?
Damn.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
That's my high note. That's probably about a 162 right there. 162 dB. Yep. That was my high peak. Now I'll give you my low peak real quick.
Yeah, I think so too. This?
There you go, man.
That was awesome.
Thanks
Thank
for coming.
you.
You're welcome, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to hear it. Good? Great, man.
Took it easy on him.
What do you mean?
We ain't turning it well.
Just I keep it about 2-3 clicks from full tilt so I don't ever blow anything and don't clip. Keep it all clean. It is still pretty loud though. Yeah.
It hurt me yesterday.
Yeah.
That felt good.
I'm gonna get out. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.